Hi readers, today we're going to be working on making inferences, and we can also call that inferring. When we make inferences, we use schema. Remember, schema is what you already know, what you've already read, things you've already experienced, everything that you already have in your brain, plus clues from the text to make an inference. So let's look and see what that might look like. So making inferences is what you already know, plus clues you find in the text. And that's what you can infer. So let's do some practice. This is our first day, but I want to try to see if you can all figure out what's in my bag and why, and what I might be doing. So using your background knowledge and clues, why would it be in my bag and what does it tell you about me? Why would this water bottle be in my bag? What does it tell you about me? What about this sunscreen? Hat? Trail mix? Why would that be in my bag? Bug spray? What does that tell you about me? Okay, so now that you've seen everything that was in my bag, why would it be in there and what does it tell you about me? Okay, and then this is what you'll be doing on your own. You need to choose 3 items from my bag and then answer why it would be in my bag and what it tells you about me. Good luck inferring!